Welcome. In this video I will show you how to resolve microphone related issues on your OnePlus 15R smartphone. First of all, let's see if the microphone port is not clogged. It's located at the bottom edge of the smartphone right here, and well, we cannot really see if it's clogged or not unless we have some like good flashlight that we can use to light the inside of this port. But generally speaking, what we can do is gently brush the inside of the microphone and try to carefully unclog it using a soft brush. Do not use any metallic tools. Do not ever put anything metallic in here. Instead, find some soft brush and try using it to remove anything that could have potentially clogged your microphone port. Then test your microphone with the recorder or any other app to record your voice. So let's find the voice recorder on this smartphone. It's always pre-installed, and we just have to find it. Let's use the search. Here it is, recorder. Let's agree and continue, and let's give it access to all files. It requires it, and now let's use it. Let it use the microphone and try recording your voice, and basically just look at the waves, the sound waves. If your voice creates sound waves, then your microphone definitely works just fine. I'm not even gonna test it, but of course, if you want to test it, just press this play button and listen to your own recording. Now let's outrule the Bluetooth interference at this point. So if you do not hear your voice here, then maybe your voice gets rerouted to your Bluetooth headphones, for example. So in this case, either disable your Bluetooth fully or disable your Bluetooth headphones in the Bluetooth settings, and then try once again. Besides, we can also disable noise suppression if we have such enabled on our smartphone, and there is actually such a feature that you could have enabled maybe for some situation or by accident. So just go to sound and vibration and scroll down to clear voice. In clear voice, just disable this feature, at least temporarily, and try testing your microphone once again. So try recording your voice and listen. Well, just look at whether it creates any sound waves. And in case you're still having an issue, then maybe it's a third-party application interference. And in such case, in order to avoid this kind of issue, we're gonna have to get our device into the safe mode. Now, how we do that? Simply press power button and volume up key at the same time, swipe the circle up to restart, and wait for the Android logo to appear at the bottom of your device's screen. And once it appears on your device's screen, we're gonna have to wait for a couple of seconds, and after a couple of seconds, start pressing the volume down button and keep holding it until your device is fully turned on. Then you'll be able to see the safe mode indicator in the bottom left corner. And at this point, let's try to record our voice once again. So let's search for the recorder. For some reason I cannot find it, maybe because it's not loaded yet. Hope so. Okay, tools must be here. Okay, if recorder is not available in the safe mode, which is kind of weird since it's a system application, we can still try to use some other app. First of all, we're gonna have to disable the airplane mode, and maybe make a call to yourself from another device, and try checking your microphone once again, because here we'll be able to check whether or not our any third-party applications just take access to our microphone. And basically, if you can hear your voice in the safe mode, that means that the issue is some sort of application that reroutes your voice somewhere else and isn't letting your microphone record your voice. Well, unfortunately, I cannot find the recorder app in this mode, but we can install a third-party voice recorder from the Play Store, for example, and try it with it. Try our voice with it. The last thing that we can try to do is restart our phone into the normal mode and check for any software updates, because there might be some security issues that have been resolved recently, but in order for you to apply the fixes, you're gonna have to download the most recent software update, and in order to do that, you're gonna have to wait for your phone to restart, and then make sure that you are connected to the internet. So let's let the phone reconnect to the internet and go to settings, swipe down to system and update, and in system and update section go to software update. Let your phone check for available updates, and if it finds any, download and install the latest version. Then let your phone restart once again, and then check your microphone once again. If after all of that stuff you still couldn't get your microphone to work, then it must be some sort of software issue, and at this point you should definitely reach out to OnePlus customer support service and tell them about it, and let them take care of your device instead. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.